Alright, today is my last day in Duluth. We'll try to hit 2 state parks today and just see the highlights. One is the Split Rock Lighthouse, which is very much recommended by everyone to visit, as well as another must-see, the Gooseberry Falls. Alright, let's go. Approaching the tunnel. Just gonna check out the falls area, the lower, middle, and upper falls. Let's go for the upper falls first. This is Gooseberry Falls, Upper Falls. Gooseberry Falls, Upper Falls. So I'm going to check out the middle and the middle. That's the upper falls. When you've been to, this is the middle falls. And this is the smallest of all the three, the lower falls. Here's a view of all three falls, the lower, the middle, and the upper. There's the Split Rock Lighthouse. Split Rock Lighthouse is located southwest of Silver Bay on the north shore of Lake Superior. The lighthouse stands at 54 feet or 16 meters, built on a 130-foot cliff. It is octagonal in shape, constructed with bricks on a stone foundation. Touring another lighthouse. The bivalve type Fresnel lens has a focal height of 40 meters and a range of 41 kilometers or 22 nautical miles. It was first lit in 1910 and was deactivated in 1969. Visitor Center Theater showcases a 13-minute film entitled The Story of Split Rock Lighthouse, which explores the history of the lighthouse and the drama of storms and shipwrecks on Lake Superior. It used original and rare archival footages and first-person accounts from newspapers, storm survivors, lighthouse builders, and lighthouse keepers. The museum's exhibits feature artifacts and information about the history of the lighthouse and the North Shore. It showcases the significance of Lake Superior shipping and the famous shipwrecks that prompted the lighthouse to be built. Let's check out the lookout point from the lake. This is where they haul up the supplies. Back in the early 1900s while they're building the lighthouse. This is the old tramway. The trail to the lake offers a different perspective of the lighthouse. Here you can see the structure built on a 40-meter cliff. Alright, I'm now at the area where you have the Two Harbors Lighthouse Museum. I think it's pretty ridiculous that they don't accept cards for the entrance if it's lower than $10, but that is their rule. So, okay, just said skip it and let's just admire the view around the area. Lake Superior, North Shore. Okay, that concludes my Minnesota visit. As you can see, I'm driving right now. I rented a car for one day so that I could get into the parks because it's outside the Duluth area. I'll be returning the car this afternoon. I am flying out tonight. Okay? Alright guys, bye.